What is up, y'all? Welcome back to Smelly Melly Outdoors. Today we are back on the Kayak, and this is a different vessel than what some of you have seen before on the previous videos. This is my brand new Nucanoe U10. Not totally brand new. I've took it out a handful of times already, throwing it on as is, throwing it with the trolling motor, and right now the trolling motor's in the shop, so I'm handicapped to paddling. But regardless, we are gonna go out here and try and put together a limit of 5 best fish. And yeah, that's pretty much all I gotta say right now. We are on Lake X, and we are gonna jump right into it. First thing, I'm gonna try and scope around, see if I can find some fish. I saw some fish busting up top, so I'm gonna go around, toss a whopper plopper. And yeah, let's see if we can make this move now. Starting on a little, I wouldn't call it ledge, but like drop off. And just work my way all the way around. You know, I'll run into a point somewhere over there. But yeah, just want to see if I can get into the active fish first. Right over there, I already saw fish busting. And yeah, honestly, the whole preface of me getting a new vessel was because I just want something I could stand in. You know, I enjoy kayak fishing enough. I enjoy the simplicity of being able to just quickly get in and off the water, but still want to be able to throw, you know, multiple presentations if need be. So this is a nice little in between. So yeah, first objective, I'm just gonna try and cover as much water as I can to get a bite or a fish, pick apart that spot, see what I can come up with. We've gotten significantly a lot of rain the last 3-4 days, so yeah, the lake's pretty lively right now. We got a beach right there. I don't know if you can see it, but we got a beach over there as well. So yeah, all in all, everybody enjoying the weather. Just makes Minnesota summer so nice. Shoot. Right here. Keep it pushing. Things I got tied on right now, I got a whopper popper, got a T-rig, jig, free rig, and a drop shot. Water clarity is looking a little mid right now. Compared to what I've seen it, yeah. It's definitely got some color to it. I really don't want to sit and fish, but it may be a sit and fish type of ordeal with the amount of paddling I know I'm probably gonna have to be doing. There's only like one side with no wind right now. Yeah, it's literally this side. Let me look at my phone real quick to pull up the Omnia app, see where I'm at. It's pretty much this whole side. I don't know if you can see. This whole side is really just ledges, or not ledges, just, I don't know, tapered down into deep water. So I'm gonna fish that and then hit a few points and yeah, go from there, see what I can come up with. If I can at least just get one fish, that'll be nice. Right now, I'm definitely seeing bait fish. Make sure I just don't. Don't want to get caught fishing one spot too long, so I'm definitely gonna try and keep it pushing. As great as it is, just cast around lures, you do want to catch fish at the same time, so we're gonna try and make that move. Supposedly, like everybody says, there's great muskie in this lake. I have never seen one, so I ain't gonna speak on it, but chatter is out. Grab my hydration. Shout out Gatorade Zero. Alrighty, we're good. Now the fish catching can start. Yes, sir. I'm seeing the bait fish jump. We're coming up to a point actually right here where, I don't know if you can see it, but there's railroad tracks and it kind of slopes up into it. So, thankfully, I don't got nobody over here. Stand up for a sec. Now I got some space. Tell you what I don't have interest in. Just getting this cotton fluff off my line all day. Whoa. Where did those people come from? See, I'm seeing them bait fish jump. I wonder what it is though. Seeing some secluded stuff. Could be, I could skip my jig under there, that's for sure. Whoa, that's a whole other lake. Let's get my, the wind is definitely shooting me out a bit. Alrighty. Let me scrap this spot. Or this. Yeah. Scrap that. I want to go find some structure. Okay. We got a somewhat point I'm going to pull up on real quick. That'll be structure number one. Or real spot number one. The last few outings, when I have done my work pre getting to the water, I had picked up fish. So I hope this time is no different. Look at the map, pick a spot, come up with at least one fish. You know what? This actually might not be a bad idea with the way the wind is blowing. And now looking at it from an aerial view, it looks like it might be right there in front of me. Just slopes up, maybe right off that tree. We shall see. All right, I think what's gonna happen is I should just end up getting blown right on top of this point. All right, now I think I got it. The point is gonna be to my left. Coming up here. All right. Slowly starting to get to that point. Let's go Texas rig real quick. Oh, well, I thought I was gonna go Texas rig. Dang. That reel was howling for a sec. Ooh. Nah, I think that was weeds. Jeez. Spooled that, that's for sure. Well, shout out to the wind, man. It's definitely pushing me, you know, right into the next spot, let's say. It's pushing a little bit too fast, though. You know, this could be a prime time where I just go out here and just start pitching and flipping. But to be completely honest, I am really not trying to do any of that. Unless I have to. All right. thinking I'm gonna try and get out of this wind and fish whatever stuff I got on the other side, because there's less wind over there. I'm gonna turn the GoPro on when I get back to the next spot. So yeah, catch you when I'm over there. All right, made it to the spot. Had to zoom across the lake. Wasn't really zooming, but hey, I made it. And I'm gonna probably stay on this side for the rest of the outing with the wind being the way that it is right now. So I'll just whip around the free rig, see if I can pick up a fish on this side. Should definitely see and stuff surface though. Looks like we come up, well, I'll come up to it. All right, so you know what? That's kind of a little start. So let's start on our paddle over there. Oh, that was great hands by me, because that would have been a crucial way to lose a rod. So you know what? I'm gonna actually push you, stack you in the rod holders that I have. For that reason, let's get to it. We wanted to see something blow up. So say that was people making their way. Oh my God. So I get for trying to be cool and stuff. Sheesh. It's like, that's when the winds start kicking. There's literally only one safe side, and it was the side I was at. It's definitely none of this over here. Now I know where the point is. It's somewhere to my left or directly straight in front. Ooh. Secondary stability should save me right there. I know a for sure play is the docks. I don't know if I want to run all the way over there though too. Maybe I need to reassess. Could go jerkbait or something like this. There's only one spot that's really super protected right now, and that's a bay where I started. It may not be where I want to be, but it's looking like that's gonna be damn near the only option. Unless I want to just keep getting my ass kicked by this wind. I swear I feel like the wind is literally like shifting directions at times. I have understood there is a couple mods I definitely want to make to the kayak. First one, I want to raise my pedestal seat. Like I want to put a 7-inch pedestal. I want to be higher when I'm sitting down. Because right now, even when I stand up, I feel like I'm still standing up low. I want to just be a little bit higher. Secondly, I want to get the black pack, or not black pack, the gear pod, and put the gear pod up here. So then I can actually put some stuff up there and utilize that space. Not that I don't like walking back there, but you know, sometimes I'm just more apt to trying to maximize all the space I do have. Refreshing. Gatorade Zero again. But now, where are the fish? I need the fish to come out and play. I'm thinking, switch you up. I don't know if I need something with a little more flash. If I ain't gonna be catching stuff, I might also be throwing a big bait. Alright, let me try to keep it pushing. I try my best, man. Each lake, or everybody I'll go to is definitely different. Some fish are easier to catch than others. This one is clearly this lake has clearly been one of one, I guess you could say. I just need a fish to show themselves. That's all we're waiting for. All right, I can at least throw on. I can throw something fun. So you know what? You're wide on it. You know what? Surprisingly, this rod actually has a lot of backbone. All right, you know what? This rod actually handled it a little better than I thought. So you know what? I'll just enjoy whipping you around for a bit. Whoa, this. Finally quiet, slightly quiet. About an hour and a half left. I need to make these things move, man. For real. Out here getting just fried by. What? It's crazy. Just when I think I found a safe side and the wind was going to be slightly dead. No, sir. Fool me once, shame on you. Woo! I saw that. I don't know if it's fast though. No frog setup either. It's definitely gonna be like a ordeal. I just damn near got winged. Frog rod is out of commission until I get some more line spooled on it. But I saw what that was. Now these things want to start getting tangled up. You see the fish? Just have to take a pinpoint cast. Okay. Damn. I don't really have anything else weedless that I can throw over there. Oh wow. Tripping. We forget I had a whole Texas rig tied on. Whole Texas rig. I'm out here trying to pitch a rat, and I got a Texas rig I could just flip at it. loosen the brakes a little bit. I want to get this out there. I mean, this right here could be, maybe that's what I need to do. Start flipping and pitching. Start flipping and pitching. I already saw the pitch. Keep up for a sec, set you down. Ah. Go with the Z-Craw. Actually, I got a whole bunch of stuff over here I could flip if I really. Let's get up in here. Yeah, man, I'm trying to keep positivity, because positivity is key. Right now, guys, it's looking like I'm about to be getting skunked today on the first official outing on the new boat. All that means is I just need to start picking better lakes. Lakes that make sense. And just choosing better times. This is the second time. I keep saying I'm gonna pick up and go fish in the morning. I opted to fish mid-afternoon. We got one more stretch I'm gonna fish. I'm gonna fish this wood, ride this weed line all the way out. I don't get anything here, yeah, I'm definitely gonna call it GG's. Aside from not catching fish, it was definitely a beautiful day to be out. Ain't no mistake about that. Sec. Alrighty guys, that is going to conclude this episode of Smelly Melly Outdoors. Definitely not what we wanted. It was nice to try and get on limit though of fish, so you know, can't complain. It's the first time ever being in the Yak with no trolling motor and just straight paddling, and yeah, this thing was definitely a workhorse to do, but definitely learned its pros and cons, and you know, it was an attempt to get out, you know, just try and put some fish in the boat. I'll choose a better lake next time, but you know, it's all a learning curve, and you know, just keep building blocks and figured out what I want from this kayak in terms of accessories. So you know, it's all taking it day by day and learning new pieces as I go along. But yeah, thank you for coming with.